Hey guys, Mr. Motor Kid. I haven't done a video of this mower for a long time, so I figured I'd start it up. It hasn't run for about a week. It's pretty cold out here as well. It's about, I don't know, maybe 10 degrees Celsius. It's cold enough I can see my breath, so I'll give it some throttle. Got the air cleaner off because I'm using it on the other mower. I'm not going to prime it, so... yeah, let's start it up. Let's just do it a little bit less. Yeah, there we go. Whoops. I almost went to this. Work again. Little bit of valve tick in that old 3.5. It's a little cold, but blow by, but I guess it depends on the bridge. You're on a 10-degree day. See you next time.